Hi, I'm Alan Bass.
And I'm Ann Mickle of Mickle and Bass. In this video, we're going to be tackling the subject of, do I need a lawyer? If I am injured on the job, do I need legal counsel?
Ann and I are partners in the law firm of Mickle and Bass. We've got offices in Columbia, Myrtle Beach, Rock Hill, and Charleston. Ann and I and two of our other partners are former workers' comp commissioners. And the primary focus of our practice at Mickle and Bass is the representation of men and women who've been hurt at work.
And we have the distinct honor and privilege of representing men and women who have been hurt on the job around the state of South Carolina. Not only do we take clients from the locations where we have our 4 offices, but we are very privileged that we have about at least 40 other lawyers throughout the state of South Carolina that also refer their cases to us. And so the question is, in today's video, if I'm injured at work, do I need a lawyer?
You know, and one of the common misconceptions among the public at large is that if they get hurt at work, especially if they've been at their job for a while and they have a good relationship with their employer, that their employer is going to take care of them. Their employer is going to make certain that they get treated fairly by the insurance company. That's just not the case. It's the insurance company that calls the shots. You could have the best relationship in the world with your employer. You can be related to your employer, and the insurance company is going to determine what you get and what you don't get. It doesn't matter how much the employer fusses at them. They're going to do what is in their best interests.
And the point that you're making right now about doing what's in their best interest is a very significant point, because what folks often fail to realize is that what's in the best interest of the employee, which is when you're injured, taking care of your family, being in a position to take care of your family and continue to pay the bills, and 2, get better again by having the best possible medical treatment, is not necessarily in the best interest of the insurance company, because what that means to an insurance company is they're paying more money. And for the most part, you know, it's a dollars and cents game to the insurance company, but to the injured employee, it's a matter of lifestyle, and being able to maintain a family.
Yeah, and if you try and represent yourself, the insurance company and the workers' comp commission, for that matter, they're not going to cut you some slack. They're not going to go easy on you because you don't have a lawyer. They're going to expect that you know the law of workers' comp in South Carolina, that you know all of the rules and regulations that govern workers' comp claims in South Carolina. And they're going to assume and they're going to expect you to meet all the deadlines involved in a workers' comp claim. And if you don't know the law, if you don't know the regs, if you don't know all the deadlines involved, it's going to hurt your case.
That's right. So it's important, 1, to know your rights, 2, to protect your rights, and 3, level the playing field and gain an advantage by at least having a consultation with a lawyer, and then possibly retaining a lawyer if it's appropriate to do so, and usually it is. And so, in answer to your question, do I need a lawyer if I'm injured on the job?
That would be a yes.
That would be a yes. Ann Mickle
and Alan Bass. MickleandBass.com.
Thank you.